Second telly's been put up on the wall. It looks a million times better. Just look at that difference from white to black. And you can just see with the size difference. Just drank a bottle of beer to prepare myself for the next task. First fixed up, another 7 to go. Welcome to the next vlog. It is day 2 of our 3-week holiday here in Orlando. Today we spent the entire day going here, there and everywhere and fetching bits that we forgot. So we went back to Lowe's, went back to Walmart. We also went to IKEA. We've bought all our picture frames for our Harry Potter bedroom because we have bought loads of Harry Potter themed pictures to go up in that room because it's very bare. We know, but yeah. we completely ran out of room last time. So this time we made sure we brought all our pictures over. So today when we got back, we have just put up one of the brand new tellies that we have bought in yesterday's vlog. So make sure you go and check out yesterday's vlog if you haven't done already.
To put the new TVs up, we had to go and get some new fasteners. So there were smaller fasteners on the old telly. So that's the old one. So it had a smaller diameter hole. So we had to go and get the right ones for this. Luckily Lowe's had a massive selection of fasteners and screws, washers, spacers, all sorts. I was loving it. Yep, so got what we needed to do this job. So managed to get one of the TVs up.
So that's the old telly. It was old 32-inch, not even a smart TV, super old flat screen telly. And this is our brand new 40-inch full HD smart Google TV. It's a bit of a mouthful. So just to get some size wise, so we are in the twin bedroom / kids room. This is the telly. It's absolutely huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna
turn it on.
The camera never does stuff justice, does it, as to how big things are?
No. It's like the size of the rooms. They don't look anywhere near as big. There we go.
One down, one to go. Mum's room now.
Yeah.
Huge, isn't it, compared to the other one?
Yeah.
The old one.
Yeah.
Second telly's been put up on the wall. So now every single telly in our condo has been replaced with brand new smart TVs. Out with the old, in with the new. Hey Matt.
Yeah.
So back at home in the UK, my mum, bless her, has sorted out and made our very own brand new runners for the twin beds to go better in the twin bedroom, the stitch room. So this is what it looked like before, was the brown runner and a brown skirt. And this is what it looks like now. So my mum has made these herself, and also she's matched the colour for the new skirt. So now it's like a Hawaiian-y themed room now to go with the stitch. So you've got the cushion as well that she's also made herself from scratch to go with the Hawaiian theme room. It looks a million times better. Just look at that difference. That's what it used to look like, and that's what it's going to look like now. So now we're just going to iron and put the brand new runner and the skirt on this bed, and that's another big upgrade done. So me and Mum have just finished putting on the other new bed set on the other bed, and it looks absolutely fantastic to what it used to look like before. So we're going to flip the camera around now and show you the finished look of our brand new bed runners, our new cushions and our brand new bed skirts, all courtesy of my mum. Look at that. Looks absolutely fantastic. It literally looks like we've bought these from a shop. She's done an absolutely fantastic job. It looks absolutely brilliant. Look at that. We have purchased a bigger photo, the same picture but a much bigger one to replace that because it looks a bit lost on that wall. So we've got to do that yet. Absolutely brilliant. So these bed runners and the bed skirts and pillows was actually kind of a last minute decision from my mum. Mum says, I'm going to do it, I'm going to get the, I'm going to sort it, I'm going to make them. So bless her, she's worked really hard to make all of these, to bring them over with us for these 3 weeks. She's also going to do the Harry Potter bedroom and also the Star Wars room. So we've got this stuff ready at home, and me and Matt are coming back in only a few months' time for another 3 weeks. That's all booked and paid for, and so my mum's got a few months to do the Harry Potter new bed set and also the Star Wars bed set. So when we come in a few months' time, we're going to bring them over with us. We're changing the curtain pole. It was a white one, but we decided that we want to have it black instead. So that's this morning job before we go out. From white to black. It'll match the living room now, won't it?
It will do.
And also the black goes much better in our bedroom with our new bed and the picture frames. And we've also got something going up there on the wall, so stay tuned for that at some point. One down, another 2 to go.
Yeah.
Black curtain poles up. That looks a million times better than white, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Got a little BB-8 still up there. There he is. Just been looking at this. We want to get rid of this at some point, but it's an absolute pain in the arse because it's built in to the entire like blind frame. Like it's the whole thing is built into this. This slides out, but this, I was hoping this was just a trim, and we've just been looking at it to see if we could take it off, and it's literally built into that entire thing. So that's gonna have to be on our next trip. Don't really know what we're gonna do about it yet. So Matt just said that, so we're gonna get everything else done and then have a look to see if we can do this on this trip. I just imagine it being like a massive can of worms.
I don't think it's that bad.
We're just in the Harry Potter room now, Mum and Dad's bedroom. We've got 2 pictures putting up right now. That one is going there, and this one is obviously going there. How many more Harry Potter pictures we've got to put up, Matt? That we've bought?
At least
10.
There's 10 total, I think.
10 total, so we've got
already.
8 others.
I think so.
So spin around this way. The other pictures is gonna go on this wall. We've built like our own collage of Harry Potter pictures, and they look absolutely amazing. We've just got to pick up. No, we've ordered them, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've ordered the
Ready for pick up.
4 picture frames from Target.
Yeah.
We managed to get the picture frames for the big ones. So there's basically the collage is made up of 2 different sizes. The bigger ones we got from IKEA, but the smaller ones, it's basically A4 piece of paper size. We've really struggled, haven't we?
Well.
In getting that size picture frame over here. So, but we managed to find some, and Matt's ordered them at Target. They cost an absolute fortune, but we're a bit stuck for choice. But after we've put these up, we're gonna go and pick them up, aren't we?
We are. Easy.
Ta-da! So this is our picture. It's of loads of wizard wands. Super cool. And it's an official Harry Potter picture poster that I got down in London actually. And we went down there last from there's a Harry Potter shop, themed shop that sell all the legit Harry Potter merchandise. I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, we got it from there. This frame cost an absolute fortune. Was it $30 for the frame?
Something like
$30?
that.
Well, we spent $226 yesterday.
Just on picture frames.
Just on picture frames.
Paul.
Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? From IKEA.
They all measured to 1 the days though.
That looks fantastic. 1 down, another 9 to go.
Yep.
Yeah, right at the top of this poster says the one chooses the wizard. Bit of a problem with this wall. Matt put the stud detector on it, and all this area is just full of cables. It comes up as voltage on the stud detector, because that is the fire alarm, that is. So literally this whole area is just full of cables behind it. Alien approves of that poster though. Mum's living the best life. Bottle of Bud Light. What time is it? You had that 12, didn't you? 12 o'clock.
It's lasting me ages.
Oh. How nice was it this morning, me and you having breakfast?
Yeah, lovely.
Out here.
Yeah, great.
So me and Mum was out here. How long do you think we was out here for? About at least 45 minutes.
I bet we was, yeah.
45 minutes to an hour this morning. First thing this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We had our coffee and our breakfast out on the balcony. Yeah, lovely, wasn't it? Really enjoyed it.
Very nice.
We could have sat out here all morning, couldn't we? We didn't want to start anything. We couldn't be bothered. So this morning, me and Mum prepped the bathroom cabinets, didn't we? With liquid sandpaper. We wiped them all down ready for those to be repainted after our new bathroom taps have been fitted. We also wiped down the laundry doors, didn't we? We gave them a good clean.
Yeah.
It's just basically full of dust from the aircon and the washer and dryer that's in there. But now we're gonna go to, where we're going? Lowe's again, Walmart again. We've been there every day since we got here because we keep forgetting stuff or we keep needing to buy things to do stuff. We're also gonna go to Hobby Lobby for the very first time, get some stuff from there. And we're also gonna go to Target to pick up our photo frames that we ordered this morning. And they're ready to be collected now. So we're gonna head out.
I wanted something from Target.
I'll never get tired of walking out here, Mum.
No.
Look at this view.
No, I know.
Incredible, isn't
I
it?
wish I could picture this flower.
Walmart's mashed potato and gravy, 97 cents. Oh, that's probably one of my favourite things. So I just got back after running around all day, yet again, the third day in a row. And we're gonna do a few jobs now then tonight. So this one was for the settee, and we have ordered a much bigger one because it looks a bit lost on that wall. So I'm going to put the old one in front of our new one, and you can just see with the size difference. So we're going to swap these over now. Mum, what size is that?
Oh, that's real. Yeah.
Oh, that looks huge. Isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that looks much better.
Right.
If only it was all that simple now.
Damn it, has it?
Yeah.
And then another picture we bought is we bought a bigger version of the Lilo and Stitch because again that picture looks lost on the wall. I mean, we bought these pictures like blind, didn't we?
We did.
We just
yeah.
guessed the sizing before we came here for the first time back in August last year. Yeah, we got two of them a little bit wrong. This time around we bought over bigger versions of the same picture because we just love the picture. So we're going to swap over the old one, small one, for a much bigger one. So again, with the size difference, the old one is on top and the new one is below it. So it's much bigger. It's going to look way better. Oh, that looks way better. Just fills the wall up more. Yeah, way better that is now. Nice one. Just drank a bottle of beer to prepare myself for the next task. the next mammoth task. Are you ready to do the next big task?
Yeah.
I'm not. Mum, are you ready?
No.
No?
I'm always ready.
Oh God. So our next task, we are doing the big Harry Potter wall. We've got to put 8 frames? 8 frames?
Yeah.
8, yeah?
Arrange them, yeah.
Yeah, we've got to arrange 8 frames on a wall for the Harry Potter room. But then once that's done, Harry Potter room's finished. No, it's not. No, it's not. I've still got one more to do. Got to find a room for that. 9 frames. We've got to fit 9 frames in that room. It'd be worth it in the end.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're not looking forward to it. It's just going to be a massive pain in the arse. I think I might need another beer.
Stored.
So we've just laid out the pictures on the bed, and this is what it's going to look like. These are all the pictures. Matt's just using the stud detector to make sure the wall's alright. First picture's up, another 7 to go. We finished the Harry Potter wall. We decided in the end not to put that one up because we've had to buy bigger frames because they don't do this size. This has been an absolute pain in the arse to get the correct frames. So we've had to go a bit bigger. So it meant that the frames are bigger so the 2 don't fit in here. So it looked better with just one. Also, these white bits on the side, we've purchased black card to go in the background. So it won't be white, it'll be black. So that'll look a lot better. It brings a lot of colour into this room now and a hell of a lot more theming. I think this one's my favourite out of all of them. We're just all saying which one do we like the best. So yeah, that's what it looks like now on that wall, along with Hogwarts. Also this one on that wall, the wand picture. How tired are you now, Matt?
Oh, yeah, no. Yeah.
We're absolutely shattered, aren't we now?
Yeah.
Another full day of running around everywhere again, getting all our stuff.
Yeah, it's definitely caught up with us now.
And the fact that we're not sleeping very well either.
Yeah.
Because we've got all this stuff to do.
I think now we've...
What's that rustling? Oh no, it's a bed up there. It's up there. It's up at the top.
It's not like it were down below.
No.
Yeah, now we've got a lot more jobs ticked off the list. Hopefully, we'll
This
feel a
happened
lot
to us
more
last time we
relaxed
was here.
Yeah.
As soon as we finished all our jobs, then we slept.
But that was,
We slept really well.
until nearly 3 days before we were coming home again.
No, I know.
whereas the majority of 3 weeks left.
Yeah. Day 3 done today.
Yeah. I think we're having a relaxed day tomorrow. We'll see. I'm sure I'll end up doing something.
So we're going to end the video here, and I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy our video, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, and don't forget to drop us a comment below. And also don't forget that you can rent our condo. All the booking links are in the description box right below, so go and check out our listings. Tomorrow we are going to go to Celebration for the very first time. I can't believe we've never been to Celebration. So we're really excited for that. We're going to go for breakfast tomorrow, aren't we?
Yep.
In Celebration. And then we are going to go to the premium outlets to do some shopping, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully get to the character warehouse.
Yes, we're going to the character warehouse tomorrow.
Fingers crossed they've had a fresh delivery of cheap stuff.
Yeah, because apparently the character warehouse get their deliveries on a Wednesday.
We'll find out next week.
Yes, should be fully stocked tomorrow on the go.
Hopefully.
So that will be in the next video for you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.